I'd like to share my comparison review between 3 different flannel style button down the front shirts. I love layering my shirts here on the farm, when I'm out working in the woods, just around the, in my garden, but also just if we're camping and you've got just those different temperatures, your mornings and evenings could be really cool and your daytime's hot. So that's where I see these being very beneficial. And so I'm going to share with you the different thicknesses and some of the different benefits of these different flannel shirts. For starters, we have just this typical flannel shirt. You've got the buttons down the front, 2 pockets, your sleeves. It does have a button here on the sleeve, so you can roll it up and actually pull that flap and button it up. So that's a nice feature to this one. It can easily become a 3/4 sleeve as well. As far as length, it's about mid-cheek, comes down, it is angled a little bit here. And then as far as the thickness of the shirt, it's not super thick, so it's a nice lightweight thin flannel. For flannel number 2, this one is considered an oversized flannel. So as far as sleeve length, it does come up for me, and I'm 5'4", about wrist it can be pulled to a little bit into the palm. As far as length, it's below the bums, and then it's definitely quite low here. It does have a little bit of an arch here, and this one is much thicker. So you also have your pockets here. There is no button on the sleeve, so this isn't gonna be one that you're gonna roll up. And this one reminds me of even like a lightweight jacket. So like this one is super thick. It isn't necessarily soft on the inside, but it does have a nice soft fleecy texture to the outside, and obviously all the buttons work really well. And this one has been great down here at our camping area, sitting around the campfire. I'm not too worried about this one getting dirty, because some of those jackets and flannels can get a little dirty if you're sitting by the campfire. So I really like this oversized one as well. This one just recently was sent to me, and so I'm excited about this one. One, because of the stretch. It has a 4-way stretch. You do have a little bit of that wicking material on the inside, or that netted material on the inside. And then you also have the front buttons, but something else that's also really cool is it has a front pocket. And again, the stretch on this is really crazy. And like it's cooling, but yet warm at the same time. So I am loving this shirt as well. You do have the 3/4 sleeve option button up. The sleeves are nice and long for getting a size large, which I typically wear like a medium large. This is also SPF 50, rain protectant, wind. So it's just one of those really great multi-purpose shirts that could be worn just about anywhere. So I'm definitely liking it. I almost wish there was a pocket on this side because I am a pocket person. I love just sticking my hands in my pockets. As far as length, it's about in between the 2 flannels that I've tried on already, and it's light enough that you could easily tuck this shirt in as well. So definitely check out the different colors in this one. I know it kind of looks more like a dress shirt, but it's like a flannel in terms of it's all weather, and it's gonna be cooling, especially if you're out on the water, but yet it's like keeping you warm at the same time. So definitely check it out, and I hope you enjoyed this review.